Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to Fix 365 and I hope you guys have a good day. Today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the lift to wake feature in Samsung phone. So here I've got a Samsung Galaxy F62 and here we go. First, go to the phone settings. There are many ways to access the phone setting dashboard, but I always prefer to swipe down from the top menu center and tap on the gear icon. Alright, next scroll down and find the advanced features and tap on it. Now here go to motion and gestures settings, and here you can see a list of settings here, and lift to wake is here on the top of the list. Now to enable the lift to wake, just turn it on from here. So lift to wake basically means whenever your phone screen is off like this and you have this feature enabled, as long as you lift the phone up to a certain degree, then the phone screen will be turning on. Now notice that if after you've enabled this feature and it doesn't work right away, then you might have to restart your phone once. So just turn the phone off, lift the phone up, and you see that it just wake the screen up. So that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.